Natural Beauty Regimen Using Turmeric, Haldi, and more for full-body glow, skin detox, and long-term radiance. Internal cleansing plus detox drink 1. Start your day with a detox drink. On an empty stomach, turmeric detox, water. Recipe: 1 glass warm water, 1/2 teaspoon, turmeric powder, 1/2 lemon juice, pinch of black pepper, optional, 1 teaspoon honey. Benefits: flushes out toxins, boosts liver function, improves skin from the inside. Secret tip: black pepper helps in better absorption of curcumin, active compound in turmeric. Full body Ubtan, herbal body mask, 2. Apply full body Ubtan. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons gram flour, besan, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon curd or raw milk, 1 teaspoon honey rosewater. To make paste. How to use: mix and apply all over body and face. Let it dry for 20 to 30 minutes. Scrub gently in circular motion. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Benefits: removes tan and dead skin. Evens skin tone, natural glow and smoothness. Use this 2 to 3 times a week for long-term skin brightness. Herbal steam and oil massage. Abhyanga, 3. Herbal steam for skin pores. Use a facial steamer or bowl of hot water with tulsi, basil, neem leaves, or a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or tea tree. 4. Oil massage, abhyanga. Use natural oils like coconut oil, sesame oil, almond oil. Mix with a pinch of turmeric for added glow. Benefits: improves blood circulation, tightens skin, reduces pigmentation and scars. Deep relaxation, clean diet, plus hydration 4. Eat a clean turmeric-enhanced meal. Options: warm vegetable soup with turmeric and black pepper, fresh fruit bowl herbal teas, like turmeric plus ginger tea. 5. Hydrate properly. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. Include cucumber, mint, lemon in your water for extra detox. Avoid processed sugar and junk food. Your skin will thank you. Evening turmeric skincare plus relaxation. 6 turmeric night mask for face. DIY face mask 1 teaspoon. Turmeric 1 tablespoon. Aloe. Viragel 1/2 teaspoon. Sandalwood powder optional. Apply for 15 minutes. Rinse off 7. Meditation or gentle yoga. 15 to 20 minutes. Reduces stress, which affects your skin. Enhances overall beauty from within 8. Moisturize skin. Before bed, use a natural turmeric-based cream or aloe vera-based moisturizer to lock in hydration overnight. Long-term benefits: with regular use, 2 to 3 times weekly, brighter, more even-toned skin, reduced acne, scars, and pigmentation, full body glow and softness, inner detox and better digestion, which reflects on skin. Subscribe to my channel and bell like.